let's say we have a string as string str, which is coconut. Okay, so if you see in this particular string, there are a couple of characters that are repeating, which are C and C are repeating, O and O are repeating. So after processing, what the final result that we should get should be the result string should be CONUT, right? The final result should be conut. Okay, so how exactly do we work on it? So let's see. What we'll do is we'll just like we have here, we'll take we'll have these two itself, but in this case right now this will be blank for us in the starting. So result array should be blank. Now let's start traversing through the str array first. String I is equal to 0, less than length, and I plus plus. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll extract each character and we'll add it in char variable. So str dot char at I. So this will give us different character every single time. CO and NUT. Every single time it will bring us each of these characters in each iteration basically. So solution that we have after this is we'll have a condition if the result array that we have up here, if this contains this particular character that we are fetching, if this particular string already contains this character, then we'll simply continue, which is we'll skip that particular character and we'll go to the next character, and at the end, like we always do, we'll add the result plus equal character. So we'll otherwise what we'll do is, if this is not the case, we will simply add that character to the result string, and at the end we'll print the result. So this way we will be able to get each characters, check them and add them to the string and print it. So now let's check the code for this. We will initiate a string str is equal to the coconut that we had earlier. We'll keep a string as a result, it will be blank for now. Now we'll start traversing through the str string, less than str dot sorry str dot length and I plus plus. Okay, so in this what we'll do is, initially I'll show you what we do. Like for character, we will store each of the individual characters from that particular str string. So str character str dot char index I, will store it, and after this we will put our. Now basically what will happen in this particular situation is, if we see this now, if we system.println, now what we'll do is we'll add this character and we'll add each characters to the string, the result string that we have. Now let's check what this does for now, so that we'll get a better understanding. Run. See, it's basically printing the entire string again, right? It's not doing anything else, it's simply printing the entire thing again, coconut. Now comes the validation that we'll add for it. So right after we get the characters, we'll add the condition if the result dot contains this particular character, we continue, otherwise we'll add it. So we are getting this error because what we have done is right now we are using char for storing these characters, but what we will do is we'll keep this as string, and to get rid of this error we'll concatenate this particular string to a blank string at the start. See, all the errors are gone. So what basically this is doing is we are storing the characters that we are getting rather than as character but in a string, and to get that working we are simply the concatenating this with a blank string so that all those characters can be added to that particular string. So this should work. Let's see. Let's try and run this. Conut, CONUT, all the repeated characters are removed.